Going my journey through life, I see that things ain't right. All by myself, I ain't got nobody else. You think a man would stop to see how's everything you see about everything you're going through? People don't really give a fuck. You start with your own luck. As I go through life, I see that things ain't right. You gotta do it by yourself. Don't depend on nobody else. People don't really give a fuck. You got to go by your own luck. Okay? You learn the hard way. In the end of this journey and these mountains you gotta climb through life to make it, you will find all you got is you and God. That's it. Jesus, which is that rock. That's all you got. Rain, baby, I'm out.